for the lines of gas, blue sky that had long been obscured by smoke. In this world, Engel named Alva, yearned for the connection with nature. Alva dreams were filled with lush forest and vibrant media, determined to protect the lost tree and restore the environment. Small group of like-minded individuals who were united in the mission to protect the lost tree. They called themselves the guardians of nature. The guardian faced numerous challenges along the journey and they faced opposition from those who had grown complacent in the polluted surrounding. As the story of the lost tree became a legend passed down through generations, the lost tree that should us a symbol of hope, testament to the power of love and the resilience of the human spirit. Thank you.